Good morning, children. Today we will discuss about the factors of state. Factors of the state. Before class, we will learn about the state sovereignty. What is the meaning of state and sovereignty? We will learning about before class. So today we will learn about the factors of state. Classification or factors. Classification or factors meanings here. Classification or factors of the state. Number one. Population. Number two, government. Number one, population. Number two, government. Next, number three, sovereignty. Next, number four, population, government, sovereignty. Next, number four, classified of the international organizations. International organization. So we will learn about the state. Okay, this is the chapter 2, state and sovereignty. State and sovereignty. State and sovereignty. What is the meaning of state? State is the one country level or one state level. Factors of the state or classification of the state: population, government, sovereignty, classified of the international organization. So these are mainly main point of the factors of the state. So number one, now we will discuss about the population. Number one, population. Okay, different type of scientists will explain state. State is only particularly one country level, one of the country level, one of the area or one of the region. The region or one of the area. It's belongs mainly located on the state. So different type of greatest Greek philosophers like Aristotle and next to Rousseau, Socrates. These are persons mainly explained to population is mainly different type of scientists, different type of explained population. Example, Rousseau, one of the greatest scientists, like a philosopher. Rousseau, minimum population, how much? Minimum 1040. For example, what is meaning by state? The state means minimum population, how much? 1000 by 1040. 1040 minimum population, which region are there? The region, the area, it mainly belongs to population. Who is explained? Rousseau. Next to another person, Aristotle, greatest Greek scientific philosopher. Aristotle mainly neither than very small, neither than very highest. Minimum 1 lakh to 1 lakh above, 1 lakh above, or 10,000 below 10,000. 10,000 below or 1 lakh above people. Which area peoples are there? Population meaning a people state, group of people. Peoples. Okay. So Rousseau, what is mean by population? Rousseau has explained minimum 1040. 1040. Which region are there? The area is called population. So the population is also one of the part of the state population. Okay. Here state. How much population are there? State. Okay, different scientists different type of explain. Rousseau with the state 1040 minimum population there means state, and Aristotle below 10,000. Okay, 10,000 people are maximum 1 lakh above 1 lakh above people there are 1 lakh above people may located ruling of one country or one area. It is called population. The population is also one of the part of the state. So state, what is the meaning of state? State is mainly people's group, the group of people. The group of people is located one region, one particular area. It is called state. Okay. Factors of the state. Classification of the state. Number one, population. Number two, what is there? Government. Number two, government. Okay, government. Every state government is also one of the main important of factors of state. Government is also one of the main important part. So government meaning peoples. Government means people. The people how to select one region or one particular area. It is called government. So government is also one of the part of the state. Government is also one of the part. So the people group of the people, the government meaning peoples only mainly selected group of one person. One person mainly ruling and directly continues there. It's called government. The government are also divided into two types: state government, central government. State government and central government. So the government is also main important factor, main important of the factor of state. Main important of the factor of the state government. So the people belongs. So the government also like 16th century, 16th century BC, 16th century BC, 16th century BC. 16th century BC, the government mainly follow particularly Roman Empire period. Roman Empire, South European country, Roman Empire and Italian Empire. The Roman Empire period only the government start which century? 16th century BC in this period. So government is also one of the main important factor of the state. The state is political science, so the political science main important of the government. So social science is also one of the part of the government. Social sciences and politically mainly people selected and ruling and control the whole of area, control the whole part of area, whole part, not only one region, not only one area, total whole part. So we have divided regions wise. Region are divided group of side. The total control by the area peoples only. So the government main important persons or peoples only. The people directly ruling and indirectly. Okay. This is also one of the main important classification of the state. Number 3, sovereignty. Number 3, sovereignty already you know. Sovereignty is the one of the ruling of ruling of government. It is called sovereignty, sovereign power. It is also called which power? Sovereign. Sovereign power, ruling of the government. How to ruling of the government? It is called sovereignty. How to ruling? So power of the government. Power of the government. It is called sovereignty. Power of the government and ruling of the government and controlled by the total. The sovereignty is controlled only one person. Democratic countries, one person only controlled sovereignty. Democratic countries. And next kingdom countries controlled by one person only. So sovereignty is also essential, one of the main essential part of the in this system, political system, like sovereignty system. So state and sovereignty, these two main important of the in that particular sense, state and sovereignty, main important of the words. The sovereignty belongs to not only one person, this total controlled by the every person. So the sovereignty not only one person, controlled by the every person all over world, not only particular one country, total almost every country under the control by the sovereign power. Sovereign power. This is the sovereign power also mainly particularly which word Latin word. This word derived from sovereignty actually this which word Latin word. Latin language also there. Latin word. So this is the Latin word. Latin word it is called Latin word it is called what is the meaning status. Latin word this is called status. Status now is called state. The status word now is called state. Okay. Sovereignty. This is the Latin state and sovereignty. Total state sovereignty to continuous ruling of one society. This is the Latin word status. Status means now is called state. So sovereignty belongs to either the control level, control of the system, control of the power. So power of the nation. So this is the sovereign power. Okay. This is the number 3. So first 3 these are the main important classification of the state. Next number 4 classifier of the international organization. International organization means one country not only depend under the people, the country depend nation and internationally also. The country depend not only one area, one state. Example, all our state depend country. The country depend state, and total whole country depend internationally. So connected, one country to another country, related friendship type of countries. Example. So it is called mainly international organization. Example, international organization UNO, United Nations Organization. Example, UNO, United Nations Organization. The UNO total whole of countries, membership countries. So international organization meaning every country mainly depend every country mainly depend on not only control. Every country compulsory controlled by another country. So it is called organizations. National organization and international organization. Example UNO. UNO membership countries. How many membership countries are UNO? 193. Yeah. Okay. UNO membership countries. How many? 193. 193 membership countries are there. UNO, United Nations Organization. United Nations Organization. So, mainly classified of the population, government, sovereignty, and international organization, and including not only this 4, including mainly population, government, sovereignty classified, including mainly particular region also. Region means here not only one of the parts. Region means is totally one of the area. Region means area, the land part of the area. So it is called region. Okay. Hindus, one of the region. Muslims, Christian countries are one of the region. So these are the main depend on the state. So what is mean by state? Okay, first one, what is the meaning of the state? How many classification or how many papers of the state? The state means explained. Who is explained state? For example, Rousseau, minimum the state population how much? Minimum 1040. Minimum 1040 peoples are there on group of one region. One region minimum population 1040. So it is called state. And another person Aristotle. Aristotle minimum 10,000 to maximum 1 lakh people. 1 lakh and above people may living one of the place. People living one of the place. It is called the population. Explained in different type of scientists. And next to Socrates also. Socrates. Okay, Rousseau, Aristotle, Socrates mainly. Socrates also explained clearly what the theory system. The state is the totally mainly not only depend on one side. The state is depend on total depend on whole side. Total all parts of the side. Socrates also clearly explained how much minimum. Socrates, this Rousseau 1040, Aristotle 1000, 10,000 to 1000 between Milan period. Socrates minimum 10,000, minimum 10,000 of the people. Okay? Socrates explained the population, the state, one state, how much population living one state. It is called mainly the state level. The state level, it is called state level. Nation means country level. Okay, Socrates minimum 10,000 population, 10,000 people or 10,000 population living in one area. It is called state. So, classification of the state, number one population. Population mainly divided regions wise. And next region is separate for them. The region means Muslim region, Christian regions, and Hindu regions. Okay, etc. These are the mainly regions wise areas. Regions means what here? What regions means particular area. Particular area or particular one place. Place or area. Place or area. So it is called mainly state. Okay. This is the main important about the state. Here state and sovereignty. Okay, state and sovereignty. First of all, mainly what is meant by state? Already we will learn about the before class. State means here the one of the country level. Okay, one power of the people level. The state belongs to which order? Status word. And sovereignty. Sovereignty means sovereignty meaning state and sovereignty. First part total state. Second part total sovereignty. Sovereign power. Sovereignty means the government power. So the political leader mainly effected of the power. It is called sovereign power. Sovereign power. Okay. Another words mainly these are the depend not only categories wise. There are reservation categories also. Reservation type. Example population. The population mainly divide some parts of reservation. Okay, some parts of reservation like caste. Caste also one of the part of the population. Caste and religion. Caste, religion. Next category, gender bias. Example categories type. Categories. Okay, category or categories. Okay, population mainly. The population mainly depend on caste wise. Caste wise also. Caste belongs to one group of people. Caste also one mainly occupations or workers. Occupations different type of categories there in our society. The working persons parts is called caste. Next to religion. Religion also mainly common people, group of the people or common people. Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Sikh, and Jainism, Buddhism. These are the mainly etc. religious groups. Okay, some countries mainly divide religious group wise also. Christian countries, example Christian country in USA, and Islamic country, example Pakistan. Okay, this is called religious countries. Next to categories. Okay, caste, religion, and categories. These are these three words under the population words. Okay, under the control by population. So the population is divided three type of groups. The population divided three type of groups. Number one, caste. Number one, religion. Three, categories. Categories meaning, for example, high level or low level category. Or next categories, particularly gender religions, women's or men's. Okay, women's mainly working from house inside only, men's working from house outside also. So this is the main categories developed of the countries. So these are the mainly population, classified populations. How to classify the population? How to classify of the population? The population classified mainly three main words: caste, religion, category. Okay. This is the main population. Next, government. Government already you know. Government means peoples. Here government. Here government also divided government parts. Government may divided two types. First one, state government. Second, central government. Okay. The government main important of the part peoples only. People how to mainly directly ruling of the in one society or one category. Society one of the part of government. Okay, and state also one of the part of the government. So this four not there means state is also not there. So state is the nothing but only for one category. State is depend for minimum four categories and minimum four categories depend on the state. Okay, recently commonly international organization also one of the main part of the state categories, one of the main category of the state. So this totally government main depend people. Next to sovereignty. Sovereignty is also one of the sovereign power. Sovereignty meaning people power. Okay, the people's power mainly that will be of the sovereign power. Next to international organization. Example UNO and next to League of Nations, LN. UNO and next to League of Nations also. League of Nations is now is not there. Only at the time end of the Second World War. End of the Second World War period, League of Nations. United Nations, League of Nations. These are main important of the organizations. In which organization? Not only national, international organizations. League of Nations, United Nations. Okay. So the Socrates, Plato, Aristotle, and next to another persons. So much persons are clearly explained to state. Another person, example, Rousseau, and next to another person, the prince who wrote the book Machiavelli. Machiavelli also mainly clearly explained the state. Who is the main person? Machiavelli. Machiavelli wrote the book Politics. Okay, the politics mainly depend on the political leaders. Okay, Machia or Machiavelli. Machiavelli is scientist, Italian philosopher. Italian philosopher. Okay, Italian philosopher. Machiavelli also wrote the book of the categories, mainly society. The society type of categories and what is meaning by state. The state of divided how many type of functions, how many type of categories clearly explained Machiavelli. Okay. Next topic, continue. Okay. Next, state classification of the states. For example, state and society. State and sovereignty. This is the chapter 2. Chapter 2, one of the part of state and the society. State and society. Okay. Classical state and society, state and polity, and state and political. These are the main important of the words of in this chapter. Okay. In this chapter, we shall read about the state power. First two parts totally state. Second part sovereignty. Okay. Now we will discuss about the society. Okay. The society meaning group, particularly one group of the people, the group wise. Okay, one person not only divided single, the person is divided group wise. Some parts of the group wise. The group of the people, it is called society. Okay, group of the people, groups of the people. Okay, this is the general word. Groups of the people. It is called the society. The groups of the people here divided some categories. The groups of the people is called society. Hindu society, example, Hindus group of the people living particular one region, one place. It is called Hindu society. Muslim society, Muslims groups also living in one particular one area. It is called Muslim society. Okay, Christian. An example. So these are main example of the society. The group of the people not only one side, not only one century. It's first to start in century, 5th century starts. 5th century only mainly 5th century to 6th centuries. The 5th century only mainly the group of people mainly start. Okay, let's continue next class. Okay, state and society. Divide how many type of classifications and what is the main relation between state and society, relation and difference. Okay, continue next class, state and society.